going, it's all like a compressed world for these kids. Extremely brilliant, extremely gung-ho. They think they can rule the world. I think these boys are no different or no worse than any product of IIT. That I can tell with a great amount of assurance. Well, you are here today. I think enjoy yourself. There is nothing else I need to add in terms of what alumni can do, what they should do. It's serious talk. Let's talk about it tomorrow if you have the time in office. I wish you all the best. Have a pleasant stay.
Thank you, sir, for your thoughtful and informative message. You will speak. I request Professor Jagannath, Associate Director, Alumni, is also a faculty member of Mechanical Engineering and Manufacturing. He joined MIT in 1984, so he didn't get opportunity to teach you people. So otherwise, he's the backbone of Alumni Association since last 1 year. With his good efforts, already this is the third reunion of various batches. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Vitleshwar. Respected dignitaries on and off the days, distinguished alumni of 1981 batch and their family members, invited guests, respected elders, ladies and gentlemen. I am really honored to stand before you today to give few details of the alumni cell activities in MIT Manipal. Before I give these details, first of all, I would like to thank each one of you who have come in large numbers with overwhelming response. In fact, I had not expected this large response from your batch, because this particular preparation started since 1 year back, but it gained momentum only since after maybe May or June. Till then, we are all not sure whether it will take place or not. The group leaders of your batch really toiled hard, their untiring effort, because I used to get all the email messages, the communication between you, their requests, and the reasons of not coming by somebody. Again and again, I used to think these people must be working round the clock to make this function a grand success. Because of their effort, today we are seeing a large attendance for this function. Definitely. Another unique thing you are doing in this function is felicitating your teachers. This shows your love and affection. These teachers have molded your student life, and greatly, they are the reason for what you are today in the society. And from the teacher's point of view also, I must thank them, because whomever you have approached, they have readily agreed to come to this function for felicitation. It shows their love and affection for you. And all in all, this 1981 batch stands as a unique batch in MIT history, and this is a historic event for all of you. From our side, we always welcome our alumni who want to come to the alma mater and have a function here like this, because we strongly believe